Hi, Chad. Hello. Welcome to the gym stream. Yippee! My tummy hurts.
No. Did you eat breakfast or anything, or?
Yeah, I ordered some shit to my hotel.
Okay.
Wow, the camera looks so nice. So I'm not a shoes. I don't know about shoes.
Yeah.
I put them on my feet.
Yeah,
Those are cute.
Thank you. When I do legs, I usually do like Converse, but I know some people do like Converse or Vans, you know?
Oh, I don't even know the difference.
Really?
Wow, damn. It's hot.
Yes.
Doug. I'm sorry. Hi, Chad. Oh.
Okay. So usually I'll just start with some like hip mobility stuff and like.
Yeah, show me what you do.
Okay, so like I'll start with just like.
I do that too. The
Yeah, I'll get
swings.
closer to you. Yeah, so I kind of just go
A little swing.
and I'll do kind of like 10 reps ish.
Yeah.
And just get things moving.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
I'm excited to get put through the ringer.
Hung over. Yeah, like Mole was telling me, she was like, yeah, Morgpie's gonna be here. And I was super I know, and I was like, okay, I'll go do workout then. And she was like, I'm traveling. And I was like, oh.
No, I know. She told me she was going somewhere. I don't know.
Yeah.
She said she wouldn't be in town.
That was so sad.
That's awesome, though.
But she told me that I should hit you up and that you're like really, really sweet and all of that. So I was like, yay!
Let's go.
And then I'll go like forward.
I'm sweet. I love to hear that. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'll kind of do like 10 as well.
Oh.
You can also go like opposite.
Oh. 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. And then I've been starting to do these where you kind of just put your foot up and then you rotate it.
Oh. Okay.
And it just helps open it.
Like that.
Yeah. I'll probably do like 5 to 10. Especially just because like as I get older, I'm like, shit, I need to start working on like mobility and all that.
That's wicked important for sure. How long have you been working out for?
It's been like 10 years.
Oh shit, nice.
Yeah.
I did like sports in high school and stuff, but I started weightlifting like 2021.
Oh, wait, that's sick. So what sports did you play?
Roller derby and softball.
Roller derby?
Yeah.
Oh my God, roller skating is so hard.
It's so fun. You just like skate around, you knock people off their fucking skates.
So then
It's awesome.
It's just like touches.
Oh, I know this one.
I tried roller skating with Mole and I fell so many times. Like 5 or 6 times. It was so hard.
Oh no. Yeah, it's hard to learn. And my feet are like covered in calluses
From the
skates.
Yeah.
So like my feet are like rock hard forever.
Did you have to wear like really thick socks?
Yeah. You have to wear thick socks. There's like, I don't know. I was like bandaging my fucking legs or like my feet.
Oh my God. Because like I work on a thin ones. Oh yeah, so it's
What is that? Oh, like that?
And then here.
Yeah. Oh.
It's pretty much almost the same as when you have the foot forward. But I don't know, my wrestling coaches have me do this, so I'm like, maybe it's like
You
a deeper
wrestle?
stretch. Yeah. I was a wrestler for 4 years.
Oh my God.
And then.
Wait, I want to wrestle.
Yeah?
How are
Should I
you
teach you some
doing that?
wrestling?
Yeah, I want to wrestle.
Okay, I'll teach you some.
That would be so fun.
I'm relearning it right now though, because it's been a while since I last wrestled, but so I'm like getting back into it again.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I had like younger siblings growing up, so we'd all like wrestle each other. That shit's so fun.
Dude, yeah. Okay, I'll definitely show you some.
Holy shit, it is